Hi everyone, Martin here from martinsmayhem.co.uk. I hope you are well. I am so excited. We have a brand new catalogue available from today. Well, not today, it's in a couple of days, but from today when you're watching this. So I'm really excited, as you can probably tell, and I hope you are too. So, last time I walked you through the whole catalogue and my voice hated it. It did not go down well. But instead of doing a whole catalogue review, I'm going to walk you through my top five items available in this catalogue. Okay, so shall we start? I'm not going to do any fancy editing. This is completely unscripted. You're going to see me as a mess. So my apologies, but this is how I am. So in number five, we've got the heart foil tins. Yeah, that's what they're called. Just having a read. So as you can see here, it's a red foil tin base, which is super cute. It's red on the outside and then silver on the inside. These are suitable for baking. So imagine some muffins baked in these. Cute. Imagine some cookie mix in there. I'm not really a baker, but I'm just going to go with it. And then put some like cream on top and then put the lid on. And then decorate the lid. Cute. I'm going to use a lot of these. So I was thinking of, how many did you get in the pack? You get 10 in a pack. So I have 6 people sat on my desk at work. Each person's going to get one of these with some sweeties in. Come Valentine's Day. And then I've still got some for Sean and probably my nieces and nephews. Easy peasy. And that's Valentine's Day sorted. These are cute. I love them. Okay, so coming in at number 4 is something I didn't think I'd use, if I'm honest. I was just like, I don't really use this very often. But I've used it a lot. And I'm going to show you some examples. One you've probably already seen. So it's this ribbon. And it's got a long name. Crinkle seamed, I can't speak. Crinkle seam binding ribbon. Okay. So this is super cute. Just look at that. You can't really see. Go this way. And it's naturally crinkled. But it's cute, and the best bit is you can colour them. So look, here's an example of a project I did the other day, and I use my blender pen in Highland Heather, and I literally just ran that over super quick, super easy, and I've coloured it. But you don't have to colour it, you can just leave it normal as well, and it just adds that subtle detail onto any card, and it's just really tactile. I thought I wouldn't use it, but I've used it a lot so far on a good 12 projects. You'll be seeing a lot of this. So that's that. So what came in at number 3? Now this was hard because I would rate this as number 1, but it's coming at number 3. And that's the honeybee stamp set. Oh God, I got the glare from my thing, sorry. There you go. Honeybee stamp set. It is stinking cute, okay? Can we just take a moment? Who doesn't love bees? All this needs is save the bees, and I'll be out there campaigning because this is adorable. And the honey, what's it called? What's their home called? What's their home called? Anyway, I love this stamp set so much, and Sean loves his bees. We have 2 little bee houses outside in our garden, and he was just like, Stampin' Up are terrible because I don't have a bee stamp set. Well, Sean, they have a bee stamp set now, and I'm super excited. I've made 2 projects with this so far, and I've got so many more planned, and even just the small details in these flowers, beautiful. But what's even better, you're going to see the mess now, is there's something just dropped down. Coordinating dies. Now this is when I can't open it. Okay, look how cute. And there's some missing because they're on my desk from using them. Sorry about it. But what's also super exciting about this stamp set is in the Sale-A-Bration catalogue, there is coordinated designer series paper, which is white, black and gold. It's beautiful. Got a project coming Saturday, what is Saturday? 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th? Saturday the 4th? No, it's not even Saturday, it's Sunday. Using this, and I'm so excited. It's really nice. You're going to see a lot of bees come in. Sorry. I'm not sorry. Okay, so in number 2 is an item that I accidentally ordered. I put in the wrong item code and I was like, oh no. Why is that here? I get those moments when you accidentally order the wrong thing. But I wasn't going to send it back. It's an item for me to play with, and to play with it, I have. So it is a bundle. So in this bundle, you get the So Sentimental stamp set, which has... Such an amateur at this. Some beautiful sentiments, which could be in reverse. Sorry. You've got I Can't Thank You Enough for You to From Hello Baby. Brilliant. Yummalicious. You could even mix that with a mummy stamp or a mum. So you could have Yummalicious Mum. I don't know, baby shower. Wishing you all the happiness for today and always. This calls for confetti, sending healing hugs. Your friendship is a blessing. Lots of amazing sentiments in there. But what comes with it, I completely overlooked, and that's dies. Now I am missing the largest scallop stitched rectangle. It's on my desk. Life's a mess at the moment, but it's okay. And as well as these ornate dies here, super cute, and I love them. How much is that bundle? Go to my catalogue, and straight in the front is an index, and that is found on So it's a So Sentimental Bundle on page 4, and that's £45 for the 2 items, and it's worth it. It really is. It's adorable. So now on to our number 1 item, and this has been out before, and it has been out for a couple of months now, but it's my favourite tool. Okay, the new trimmer. So this bad boy is officially in this catalogue. It is out. It is available to purchase. I think it's 20. I'm not very good with prices. I don't look at prices. I just tend to buy, which tends to be a problem. It is on page 45 and it's £23. I was going to say £24.50. I would pay more because this is fabulous. It is so skinny and portable. You can take it anywhere. It has a massive extended arm, which doesn't even fit the screen. Huge. It comes with a cutting blade and a score blade, and you can buy packs of the score blades for £11, and I think it's for 4. Bear with. Page 20. What did I say? 45? Why am I running straight to flaming? I went to swear then. I stopped myself, it's okay. Page 45, right next to these cute little Easter images, which I did consider placing these somewhere in it, but I haven't brought it, so. But they're cute. Anyway, trimmer, it's £11.25 for 4 blades, but I've had this since October, maybe November, I don't remember the date, but it's fabulous and I love it. So you will not be disappointed. Upgrade. Look, I haven't even taken the sticky film off this bit yet, but it's fabulous. Okay, and that's £23. Bargain. It's just been Christmas. Spend your Christmas money on this bad boy. It is worth it. It's beautiful. honestly, I thought nothing could replace the old one. This replaced it. Okay, so that is my top 5 items from the mini catalogue. I'm sat on a table, it's really uncomfortable, but it's because the Christmas tree's still downstairs. But yeah, so I'm sat on the dining table. So this catalogue is fabulous. It has so many amazing items. If you haven't yet received a catalogue from me and you would like me to be your demonstrator, please get in touch. Please also be mindful, I can only be your demonstrator if you're a resident within the UK, France, Germany, Austria and the Netherlands, or Holland, whichever one you prefer. Either way, I can be your demo. So reach out, I can get one of these into the post and I can also get it in French, German for you. So reach out, my contact details are in the description bar below. And while you're there, please give me a thumbs up, because it would just be nice instead of a thumbs down. I don't like thumbs down. But anyway, I'll see you later. Any questions, just shout. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.